Dear students, I am Dr. Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College of Art, Science and Commerce, Shira, Tumkur District. The topic of today's lecture is the control of human louse. Comes under the paper 4, Insect Vectors and Diseases, BSc, 4th semester, Zoology, Tumkur University. Control of human louse, that is both the head lice and also the body lice. So this slide shows a special comb which is prepared to remove the nits and also the nymphs if there are any present at the base of the hairs. A special comb provided with the pediculicides, that is the drug which is treated. This slide shows another a liquid which is found to be very effective in order to kill the nits and nymphs which are present at the base of the hairs, along with the natural medicines like the lemon and also the tulsi and mint. One has to control the human louses, one has to treat the infested persons first. Okay, so anyone who are infested with head lice or the body lice should receive proper treatment. The first and foremost, the person who is infested with the head louses or the body louses, okay, who should receive the proper treatment first. There are several treatment measures are available that includes pediclicidal shampoos, that is lice killing shampoos and rinses that can be purchased at most drug stores, that is the medical shops. There are several prescription products. There are several prescription products like Ovidae. It is an insecticide treated with the insecticide malathion, and Sclice is an oral treatment containing ivermectin, is a tablet. Ulesphia, this is also a oral consuming the tablets, so they are very much available in the drug stores. And many of the products contain pyrethrins, anti-lice chemicals. Okay, many of the products that contains pyrethrins, examples the RAD, A200 and RNC shampoos. These are all the drugs which are available in the drug stores. So usually doctor will prescribe these drugs in order to apply to the infested area, either the body or the scalp, human scalp. Okay, so it contains the permethrin, pyrethrins and permethrins, which is similar in the action of pyrethrins. They are the anti-lice drugs. These products work well against the nymphs and adults. Nymphs are nothing but the immature stages of the head lice and the body lice. And also it effectively acts and kills the adult lices also. But some such as Sclice and Ulesphia, they are not very effective against the eggs. 1 or 2 additional treatments at about 7 to 10 day intervals are sometimes needed in order to eliminate the infestation completely. So one has to take the treatment up to about ranges from 7 to 10 days according to the prescription which is given by the doctors. The first and foremost, in order to remove or control the head lice or the body lice, one has to remove the nits from the hair. Nits are nothing but these are the eggs, small eggs laid by the female lice. Okay, the mechanical removal of the louse eggs helps to reduce the number of lice that might hatch from the scalp. ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೇರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ, so usually they lay their eggs at the base of the hairs, So this is possible. Mechanical removal of these eggs can be that is found to be possible by using a special kind of combs. This is the egg which is usually laid by the female lice on the hair. Okay. So this can be the eggs are usually removed by the a special type of combs which are treated with pyrethrins and also premethrins. They are both of them are the drugs which acts against both the head lice as well as the body lice. The special combs are provided with pediculicides. That is, the pediculicides are pyrethrins and pyrimethrins. Okay, and the instructions for their use must be followed explicitly on the drug coverage. Be persistent and thorough enough. Because of the eggs are literally cemented to the hair shaft, that is on the hairs. Okay, they are not easily dislodged since they are glued. Glued means they are adhesive. That means avu ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ the hairsಗೆ they are glued actually. So they are cemented due to the hair shaft. Okay, so they are not easily dislodged. This is the egg. It is laid by the lice on the shaft of the hair. Contrary to this, the popular belief using vinegar in the shampoo. Some people are using the shampoos which contains the vinegar or rinse as not effective because it does not dissolve the glue that binds the nits to the hair shaft. These kind of shampoos are not found to be very effective because the glue is such an adhesive material that will not be helpful in order to separate the nits from the hairs. So that's why this is not to be very effective in order to remove the eggs from the hair shaft. There are also a special non-insecticidal rinses such as the Cleartium lice egg remover that dissolve the glue binding the egg to the hair. These are the special type of the drugs which are available in order to dissolve the glue which is present in between the hairs and the nits. Okay, so that is the Clear and the lice egg remover are the two medications which are available in the drug stores. So these drugs are helpful in order to remove the glue so that the nits and hair are separated, and it will be helpful in removing the eggs from the hairs from the scalp of the from the head, that too from the hairs. Delouse the personal item. This is another important method of removing or controlling the louses. The items such as the brushes, combs should be washed thoroughly in hot water. Okay, so the brushes and the comb should be washed frequently and thoroughly in hot water, at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 to 40 degrees centigrade for about 5 to 10 minutes by dipping into the hot water, and regularly we have to clean them. The washable clothing, hats, headbands and linen, the bed linen clothing materials and other personal items should be washed in hot soapy water, then dried in a cloth dryer for at least about 30 to 20 to 30 minutes. A non-washable clothing can be sometimes dry cleaned. If the cloths are not washed in the water, so such cloths can be given to dry cleaning. Although the hair which are attached with the lice eggs may fall out and become attached to the stuffed animals, okay, or similar toys, such items do not serve as reservoirs for the lice. Okay, only those animals which serves as reservoirs, because the host must give the blood meal. That is very important. Otherwise, the parasite will not survive. That is, the head lice will not survive. Even though accidentally, if the eggs are fallen on the hairs which are present in the ties, a simple the ties having the hairs such as the items do not serve as a reservoirs. That is, stuffed animals. If there is some concern about these items carrying lice, the simplest solution is to vacuum them. If possible, place them in a cloth dryer, set on a maximum heat for about 1 hour, so that they will be killed due to the high amount of the heat which is produced. For the successful control of these louses, the human louse problems requires the communication. One has to tell, so I have this problem. Okay, so cooperation, communication and control program that employs the sanitation, that is, the cleaning is very much important. Hygiene is very important. Treatment with suitable pediclicides, that is the drugs. Okay, treat the person with a particular kind of pediclicides, and delousing is one of the important method in order to get rid of these louses, and also delousing of the clothing and other personal articles, that is towels, cloths, mattresses, beds, bed sheets, etc. The most important point to remember is that solving the problem is more important than finding someone blamed for it. Okay, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು, ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೈಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ, so it is important point to remember is that you must solve the problem. Okay, so you must get into that person and advise him to take particular treatment. Treatment is available. Okay, so the various pediclicides are very much available in the drugstore. So take him to the doctor, get them medicine, and that will be helpful for any infested person to come out of this infestation of both the head lice as well as the body lice. Okay, dear students, this is all about how to control the head and body louses, human louses. Okay, these are the reference materials along with the links given. Kindly follow these links. And this is the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Second wave is now operating. Take maximum precautions. Don't go out. Go out only if it is unavoidable. Okay, and wash your hands very frequently by using soap and use sanitizers. Cover your face with face covering or face mask. So the nose and mouth should be completely covered, and it must be not a cloth made one. Use a surgical masks. N95 surgical masks are available, so use that, and maintain physical distancing. Social distancing you need to maintain. Okay, so minimum of 2 meters between the individual has to be maintained. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you.